Good morning, students. Today we will start second operations, that is subtraction of chapter 2. Subtraction. Here I want to explain with an example. First question is subtract, and the number is given here is 6459686 from 8843576. This is given. Now here you can see this, that from is given. Whenever this from is given, you have to write this right side number first on top, that is 8843576 minus, then this number will be here 6459686. So here let's start. 6 minus 6 will be 0, and here we can't subtract 7 minus 8 because this is smaller and this one is greater number. So here what we will do, we will write 7 as it is, and 1 we have to borrow with this number. If we have borrow from here, it will become 7. Now again this we can't subtract as this is smaller and this one is greater. Again we will borrow 1 from here. Then here 2, and again we have to borrow 1 from here. This will become what? 3, and again we can't minus here. 3 minus 5, then again we have to take 1 borrow from this number left side, and here 7. Now here we can subtract this number as this one is greater. So let's start. 17 minus 8 will be 9. 14 minus 6, 8. 12 minus 9, 3. 13 minus 5, 8. 7 minus 4, 3. And 8 minus 6, 2. Now here we have got the answer. Here I want to tell you that this is minuend, this is subtrahend, and this, the number which we have got here, is after borrowing the number we have got here. So, and this is called difference. Now minuend means what? A number from which another number is to be subtracted. This, a number from which another number is to be subtracted. Like here N is for minuend, S is for subtrahend, and is equals to what we will get? Minuend subtrahend minus subtrahend is equals to what we are getting over here? Difference. For example, if I have taken minuend as 8 and subtrahend as 5, what we will get as a difference here? 3. Here I have taken one question. What must be added to 7254321 to get the sum as the greatest 8-digit number? So here, solution, let me explain this. The greatest 8-digit number, first we will write here the greatest 8-digit number. This greatest 8-digit number, this I have told you in first class, my first video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 times 9 is the greatest 8-digit number. Now it means we have got this sum of two number is what? This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This we have got. Now one number is already given here in the question, and what is the first number? One number, this one, that is 7254321 Now we have to find out the second number. How we will find out? By subtract this from this number. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 minus 72543218. If we will subtract this number, what we will get? 9 minus 8, 6, 9 minus 1, 8, 9 minus 2, 7, 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 4, 5, 9 minus 5, 4, 9 minus 2, 7, and 9 minus 7, 2. So this is what? This is the required number. So here we got the answer. Now come to exercise 2.2. First question is find the difference, and here the question is given. It is very simple. First we will subtract. We will start from right side. 4 minus 4, 0. Now here we can't subtract this 2 and 3 as 2 is greater. So we will write here 2 as it is, and here we have to borrow from this side, from our left side. So here it will become 5, and again we can't subtract this number. So what we will do? We will write 2 as it is and borrow from here. Here this one is greater, so we can easily subtract this. So 4 minus 4 will be 0. 12 minus 3 is what? 9. 5 minus 5 will be 0. 12 minus 9 is 3. 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 7, 1. And 7 minus 6 is also 1. So here is the difference. This is what? As I explained this earlier, this is difference. Now let's come to the second question. Here subtract is given, and the question is given like this. So simply we will write this number 8654321 minus 6123456. So here let's start with this. It will be 11. Here 1 minus 5 we can't do, so here again we have to take borrow. Then here 2, again we have to take borrow from this number, and 3. Now these are the greater than this number, so we can easily subtract this. So let's start from right side. That is 11 minus 6 is 5. 11 minus 5, 6. 12 minus 4, 8. 3 minus 3, 0. 5 minus 2, 3. 6 minus 1, 5. 8 minus 6, 2. So here this is the answer of this subtract. Now let's come to word problem based on subtraction. Now the question I have taken here is the population of a city is 78932541, and before 10 years it was, the number is given here. Now find the increase in the population of the city during the 10 years is given. So here you can see that the population here, now the recent population is given here is what? This, and before 10 years it was this much. Now we have to find out that how much it increased till this, between this 10 years. So how we will find this? Simply we will subtract the recent population with the before 10 years population. So here while subtracting, what we have got the answer. First I have written this number, that is recent population, 78932541 minus 6536541. After subtracting this, we have got this answer, that is 1 minus 1 is 0, 4 minus 4, 0, 5 minus 5, 0. Now here we can't subtract 2 by 4, so we have taken borrow from left side. With this 3 we have taken borrow, so it will become 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. Then again 12 minus 6 is 6. 8 minus 3 is 5. Here we can subtract easily as these are the biggest number, greater number. So 8 minus 5 is 3 and 7 minus 6 is 1. So this is what? This is the population, that is, this is the population that is increased. Now here I have taken another question is what? Subtract the sum of this and this number is given from the sum of two numbers, again it is given. So first what we will do, we will add this two number. The number which is given here, we will add this and again this two number we will add, and after getting the number we will subtract the sum of this by this number. So let's start. I have taken first this number and this number for adding. So here I have added this two number, and here the second one, again I have added this two number here. So here from is given, it means what we will do, we will subtract this number, it means this number by this number. So whatever the answer we have got here, that is 6913572, we will subtract this number by this number, that is 4691355. After subtracting, what we can see this, that 2 minus 5 we can't do, so we have to take borrow from this number. So I have taken borrow from this number. So after borrowing, what it becomes 12, and here it will become 6. 12 minus 5 is equals to 7, and 7 minus 1, we have to decrease this number by 1. So it will become 6. 6 minus 5, 1. Again 5 minus 3 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. And here again we can't subtract 1 minus 9. 1 by 9 we can't subtract this. So we have to borrow from this. So it will become 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. And here it will be 8. 8 minus 6 is 2. And the last 6 minus 4 we can do easily this. So 6 minus 4 is 2. So this is your answer.